Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having a wonderful day, and today I am trying out the Gershion temperature color changing polygel kit. That's a mouthful and a half. So I've actually had this kit for a while, but I used it before I started doing the actual YouTube channel. I used the blue and I put some little clouds on it. I actually got the inspiration from a girl on Instagram. I can't remember her name, I apologise. But they were really cool. I think I got some pictures on my Instagram, but I didn't do a video of it because obviously I wasn't doing YouTube then. So anyway, in this kit you get the 180 grit file, you get jewel foams, nail foams, your spear, which is your brush and spatula tool, a top and a base coat, and then 7 different coloured temperature changing polygels. I do swatch them for you, so don't worry, you will see them. So I'm just going to show you the bottles now. So this one here is the natural pink. The next one is a cover pink, but it's more orange than I'd say pink. Yeah, I'm kind of glad that it's an orange and not a pink because we've already got pink. So yeah, then this one is a purple. It looks nothing like what the swatch is on the front. This one is a green. It's not like the green on the front again. I didn't quite like this green, but you know, not every colour is everyone's favourite colour. This yellow, oh, it was so pretty. I wish I had used it. I'm kind of kicking myself for not using it now. This is the blue that I used for my cloud design before I started YouTube, like I said. And then this one here is a light green. Now, I'd say it's more of an aqua blue. I actually use this colour. And then obviously the top and base coat. These top and base coat is really good. I liked them. I actually have no complaints with this kit, I don't think, really. Nothing major. So here we go now, swatching it quickly. So these that cover pink, cover pink that I was talking about. It looks more orange. Then the yellow, green. Again, like I said, I didn't really like this green, but I don't like dark and gloomy colours. I like bright and vibrant and stuff like that. So yeah, this I did have a problem with getting out. It's a brand new bottle, I haven't used it, and I had to squeeze it out so much, but it was only with that light green that looks like a light blue, like I said. But yeah, for my design today, I use the light green, air quotation, I'm just going to call it blue. I use the natural pink and the purple. So there they are now in the lamp. And that yellow, oh, that yellow is so pretty. And like I said, they change colour. They go to like a see-through sort of colour. So I actually put some stiletto tips on. I filed my natural nail, like took away the shine. I pushed my cuticle black and took away all the dirt and grime and stuff that come off of my nail. I put 1 layer of dehydrator and 1 layer of primer onto my natural nail. Today I usually do 2 layers, but I only done 1 of each because lately I've been changing my nail style a lot and it's been quite hard to take them off because I've been like really prepping my nail. So yeah, and then I just go in them with 1 coat of the base coat. And like I said, this was a really nice base coat. Like, it went too thick and it went too runny. It was, as Goldilocks would say, it was just right. It's yeah, I like it. It's I don't know what you can really say about it. It's a nice base coat. I actually like Gershion Polygel. I think they do a really good job. I actually prefer these over Model 1s in my honest opinion. So here we go now. I put the purple polygel down onto my thumb. I done the toothpaste method. What I do though, I press some chunky glitter into each nail, different colours obviously depending on the colour of nail, before I cured it, and then I went over it again and I actually encapsulated it with the same colour polygel that I used on the base, like, so I'll cap it now with the purple, and you can actually see through the nail. You still see the purple. It's still clear on the nail bed. But yeah, it gives it like a fog sort of shine to the glitter. It's quite nice. I done this for all the nails. and the blue especially turned out so good. It gave me under the sea water vibes. And I wish that I had actually done an underwater vibe sort of nail set now. But these were sort of inspired by like springtime, but with like a bit of glam spring, I guess. The pink actually looks a bit like Cupid, you know, like Valentine's Day, I'll be honest, but it's a nice colour. On the video it looks a bit orange, but in person it's very light pink. You see at the end anyway, because I do like a proper show at the end of the nails, and I also show you between the hot and cold water and the colour changing. So here we are now I'm just capping. I didn't use any rhinestones or anything today because I thought the glitter was more than enough detail. But yeah, I really enjoyed the set. I actually think this is the best set I've done so far. That's my honest opinion. And guys, let me know if you think so too. But yeah, I think I done pretty decent. Like, they're not like amazing like salon sort of style, you know. I think a salon could do a lot better. Here we go.